Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super useful skill that every content creator should know: how to remove the background from your images. Whether you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, or just want to create clean, professional-looking images, this tutorial has got you covered. I'll walk you through two easy-to-use tools: Canva and Remove.bg. Let's jump right in. First up, I'll show you how to remove a background using Remove.bg. It's a free, user-friendly, web-based tool that makes background removal a breeze. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, head over to the Remove.bg website. Next, upload your image by clicking on Upload and selecting it, or dragging and dropping your image into the designated area. In just a few seconds, the tool automatically removes the background for you. No manual work required. Now you can add a different background to your image if you wish by just clicking the plus sign besides the background. Then you can choose either an existing photo or upload your own photo to use as a background. Or you can choose the color tab and choose a colored background for your image and click Done. Once you're happy with the result, just download the image with the background removed or revised is the last step. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got a clean, background-free image ready to use. Now, let's move on to the next option: removing or replacing an image background using Canva. Please keep in mind that while Canva offers many features for free, the background remover tool is only available in the paid Pro version. Let's get started. First, upload your image to Canva and add it to the photo holder section by clicking on the uploaded image. Next, click on the Edit Image option in the toolbar. Then, click on the BG Remover tool. Canva will automatically detect and remove the background. If you'd like to add an image as the new background, you can either select an image from Canva's image library or upload your own. In this example, I'll choose my own background image. So I click Upload, choose the background image, and wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, click on it to add it to the photo. Then, right-click on the background image, select Layer, and choose Send to Back. Finally, resize it to fit the frame. If you wish to add a different color as the background, first click on the background to bring up the Color tool. Click on the Color tool and choose the color you want. Once you're satisfied, download the image in your preferred format. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.